Welcome to our guide on how to play games on Snapchat. Get ready to explore tons of fun games right at your fingertips. To access games, simply open Snapchat, swipe to find the games option, and browse through the exciting titles available. There are different types of games on Snapchat. You can choose casual games for a quick session, competitive games to challenge your skills, or multiplayer games to team up with your friends. It's easy to invite friends. Just tap the share button on the game screen and send an invite. Sharing makes the experience even more fun. Explore unique game features designed for Snapchat, including fun controls and mechanics that enhance your gaming sessions. Keep track of your achievements, scores, and performance in-game. This adds a whole new layer of excitement to your gaming experience. Amp up your gameplay by using Snap Camera filters. These cool lenses can add flair to your live sessions. Don't miss out on seasonal game events and challenges. Participate to earn exclusive rewards and join the fun. Having trouble? Here are some common issues and quick tips to get back to your game in no time. That wraps up our guide on playing games on Snapchat. Dive in and explore the fun waiting for you. Happy gaming!